right here I got the roar pedal, just a throttle response controller, and today I'm gonna do an install and review on this right here. Show y'all what it's like, show y'all what it's about, and we're gonna get active on this real quick. Select real quick video. Okay, in this part right here, you gotta go up under the car and pop them two little push pins out. It's two little push pins on the side, and you gotta go ahead and push them out. I couldn't get the one on the left side to come out for nothing, and I really didn't feel like messing up anything whatsoever, so I went ahead and played with it for a little bit and said forget about it. So you're gonna go ahead and take the female and male piece from the throttle response controller from the roar pedal, and you're gonna unplug the female and male piece from your throttle or the pedal, and you're gonna basically just switch them out, and you're gonna plug the throttle response into the corresponding plug and vice versa. It's real simple. Like, I've never done a mod ever before. Like, I've never done anything to my car, and I figured it out. So once you pop that thing out and go down there and look at it, it's too easy to figure out and mess up. So you can go ahead, pop that thing in there, make sure both of those things plug back in. I went ahead and pushed that thing back up, fed the wire back through, which was pretty simple, and just went ahead and fed that, and we was good to go. All right, so we got everything in there plugged. Got all that stuff in there. That shit on there. All right, so I done installed the roar pedal. Let the see what it's like. We got 5 different modes or whatever. Got SU, which is the race mode, and they got FU, which is Sport Plus, HA Sport, and then SA Eco. And I think there's one more. But you know, I'm gonna go ahead and throw that thing in the race already, and we gonna start from race. And they got like different levels where you can adjust it from 1 through 9, and so it's on the lowest one right now, and then I can go up 2, 3. So we're gonna start off in race 1. I always drive my car in track, so that's the only way I'll be able to tell. Track. We'll see. Maybe I might just be tripping, you know what I mean? Maybe I might just be tripping. Shit, we can go ahead and crank this thing up. We can go ahead and crank this thing up. That's like the highest. It sounds like them pops a whole lot louder. It definitely sounds like them pops a whole lot louder, for sure. We gotta take this thing up. Damn! Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. What the fuck? This shit right here. more kizzy. I think this thing a little more active for sure. It feel juicy, like ain't no other way to explain it. Like I can just feel like it feel like it's just ready to even more go now. Like, and then we got one behind us trying to keep up. Get old guy behind us. That thing moving. Yeah, this thing definitely. Even the difference in the sound, like it give it more, like I ain't gonna lie, yeah, this pedal commander thing got this thing rocking, no cat. Like I can't even, I'm kinda at a loss for words, cause like I didn't expect it to do all this. Like, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this thing. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, yeah, this thing definitely make a little difference. It ain't a bad mod. Y'all want to mind, if y'all don't mind kicking out $300 for something that's gonna improve your throttle response, make your car sound even better, then you might want to try it. I'm not endorsing them whatsoever, but just giving y'all my honest review, letting y'all know what it's been like having it on so far. So far it's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Matter of fact, I'm finna throw it in regular. Let's see how that works. Throw it in regular. Let's see how that works. See if it have any difference whatsoever. Even though I always ride with track. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And them tires trying to get from under me, boy. Yeah, I can feel it. It's like it's still in track. Okay, I might start driving it regular to save on some gas and start driving like this. There's no cap. It even got the regular moving without it in track or nothing. Yeah, I'm fucking with it. Shit boxes. But yeah, that's definitely an improved difference from like the throttle response. Yeah, I can definitely, because it got like a little hesitation to it naturally, and so with that right there, it's definitely gone like the last thing. It moved now. It don't increase the horsepower or anything. It don't increase the speed or anything, but you get all your horsepower faster to the pedal, if that's the best way to explain it. So it's a nice little neat mod. Bought it off my homeboy, so shit, I didn't pay a full price for it because these things like $300, something like that. I'm not paying no $300 for this, so luckily I got it for the Corvette. Nice. But yeah, alright, so I wanted to come give y'all a quick short little video on that roar pedal, me trying to install it and installing it. Mind y'all, that's my first time installing anything ever on a car whatsoever, so don't beat me up too bad, but I did what I could. Well, I didn't do what I could. I actually installed it, put it on there, drove with it around. It's a cool little device, neat little device, but y'all give me some likes, comments, subscribe. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Here we go.